Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could download and install Oracle VirtualBox in your Windows computer. If you have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11 or even Windows 12, the method is the same. First of all, open your browser and in the address bar type virtualbox.org and hit enter. At this stage you are on the official website of VirtualBox. Click on Get Started Download and wait for a few seconds. On the left, you will see VirtualBox platform packages. At this stage, based on your operating system, in the case of Windows, regardless of the edition or the version, click on Windows host. If you are using Mac or Linux, then you will want to download the other versions. Since I'm using Windows 11, I will just click Windows hosts. The download will begin and you will need to wait a few seconds. Once the download is completed, click on it to run. You will need to wait a few seconds. Windows will show you the user account control and will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You want to click yes. We will need to wait a few seconds before the installation initiates. We are going to click next. At this stage, you want to select I accept the terms in the license agreement. You can read through if you wish and click next. At this stage, you need to select the file where you want to save the installation. It's usually in the C drive. However, you can always create a separate file for it. I will leave everything by default at this stage and click OK. Next, we're going to click Next. Proceed with the installation. Yes. Missing dependencies Python core. We can click Yes. Create start menu entries, create a shortcut on the desktop, create a shortcut in the quick launch bar. We don't need it. Register file association. OK. And I will click Next, Install. At this stage, make sure that you are still connected to the internet, and operation usually takes between 1 to 3 minutes as a maximum. After that, the VirtualBox logo should appear on your desktop. You might see that the desktop keeps refreshing. Now it's done. Click Finish. It seems that I have faced an error. So if you face this error, you can just retry again to install again, and it should be fine. Here I have the VirtualBox. And as you can see, by just clicking on it, it's here and it's ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.